Hi, we're here at the Creamery on 9th to show you where the fire alarms and fire extinguishers are located. There is a fire extinguisher by the half-gallon ice cream freezers at the back of the store. There is a fire extinguisher by the grill freezer and a manual fire alarm for grease fires. Setting off this alarm will sound the fire alarm and dispense chemicals into the grills to put out the grease fire. Across the store, under the conveyor belt, is another fire extinguisher. Close to here at the back of the store is a manual fire alarm by the main receiving door. There is another manual fire alarm by the produce receiving area. And finally, there is a manual fire alarm and extinguisher at the front of the store by the cashier stands.